So I saw it. It's pretty great. It's pretty great. It is very, very exciting. I'm very excited. If you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to share a little bit of what I saw in Milan. I just got back from Italy, and it was the first time I was in Milan, and, well, you'll hear about it at the end. Oh, God. I really need a coffee.
So grab a hammer and some coffee, and let's build our next dream.
Yesterday, I took a tour of the latest project down on Bleecker Street. This is a true fix it then list it project. And I am telling you, this is why I do what I do. This is why I like it so much. For a little bit of money, we can turn something that's kind of not so interesting, probably I wouldn't buy it, into something that I would spend money on. I mean, should I buy this apartment? I actually never even thought of that till just the second. So I'm going to take you on the tour that I just did, and you're going to see what I saw. And we are at the middle stage of renovations are done. Okay, there's a couple things on my punch list to be fixed, but by and large, it's ready. Now, again, I hired a staging company to do all the furniture staging because I didn't have the time. I didn't really have the budget. Time is kind of the biggest thing, and the budget too. But we're going to be able to stage this whole apartment. This is a one-bedroom apartment. We're going to stage the whole thing. We are going to offer the buyers the apartment fully staged and designed. So you could walk in, and if you love it, and I hope you love it, you could just buy it as is and be done and bring in your clothes and throw them in the closets. It's kind of great. Probably this is a first-time buyer. Probably it's a young professional. They probably don't have a whole apartment's worth of furniture because they came from a small rental. And they're going to have to spend money not only buying furniture, but deciding what to buy, deciding how to design it, deciding what goes with what. And we will have done it for them, and it'll be done. And you could just take it as is. And I really think that the future of buying real estate in these big urban markets like New York and LA and Chicago and Dallas and you name the big city is that people are busy and they move to the city because they have probably a great job opportunity. They're probably making decent money and they want to buy an apartment and they just want to move in and hit the ground running. They don't want to spend 6 to 8 months waiting for furniture to be delivered, waiting to decide what and how to design the apartment. They could buy it and the day after closing, have a party and invite people over and it's done. So it solves a huge problem. That being said, the furniture gets moved in 2 days and then we're going to see it really come together. And then we'll get photos done and then the marketing will happen and we'll do our first open house. And probably you'll be there at the first open house. And that's going to be really fun. That's going to be when we see whether this was all worth it or not. And the market is great. Buyers are out there. It's springtime. People like to buy in the spring. So I'm hoping that that brings them out. And when they see these photos, that it's really the marketing of this property that's going to get people to come in and either you're going to like it or you don't. And we fixed it and we're going to list it and we're going to sell it. That's how it goes. That's how it goes. Let's get into it. Okay, here we go. So we're just entering into our fix it then flip it apartment, one bedroom apartment in Greenwich Village. on Bleecker Street. And I am just getting to see the finished renovation work before we start staging this week. So this is so important because this all sets sort of the framework that all the furniture will get set into. So I have to say, on first glance, it looks pretty good. So let's walk through exactly what we did and what we spent to get this apartment ready to sell. Now keep in mind, we'll show some pictures previously what this looked like. This apartment, unrenovated, probably would list around, again, these are New York City prices, don't freak out. This would probably price around $815,000. But with the renovation that we're did, and the staging and the styling, I think we can push that price up to about $950,000. So, all in for about $30,000, actually less than $30,000, we're gonna get a huge return on the seller's investment. So let's go through the space. Now you come in the front door, we have completely color drenched this apartment in that sort of warm beige Sherwin-Williams color. We'll put that chip up and show you. The entire ceilings, the baseboards, everything. There's an entry closet here, and some of the things that we do for detail, which a lot of people may think is nothing, but the knobs. We replaced all the closet knobs and chose black fixtures throughout. On the inside of the closet, we painted the whole closet and added a brand new metal, because previously this was wood, hanging bar. So just the little details of doing inside a closet. Again, it's a detail that every buyer is going to walk in and open closets. So when you walk into the space, you've got this very large 10-foot high ceiling open living space that faces west. And we're going to do some amazing styling here, and we'll insert my AI rendering for this space of what the plan is that we're going to do. And then over here is the dining nook. Now, there are some ideas to create possibly like a banquette sort of area here, or maybe a round dining table or something. But this area is a lot of room in a New York apartment, and it just begs for some sort of dining setup, a dining design. So the kitchen was also completely redone. And what's really fun is, let's insert the AI rendering for this kitchen to see how close we actually got. So this is what it looks like actually, and then we'll pop in the rendering to see how close we got to that. And again, in here, we did a green cabinet with sort of a brass hardware. We did a stone backsplash, and we did sort of a color match grout on this. There's actually a new microwave coming because this one is having some issues, so we're replacing this with a brand new one. We did an Amazon light fixture here, super simple. And then for the floor, I wanted to do a terracotta tile, but instead we chose to do a sort of terracotta vinyl industrial flooring. And this is kind of cool. It has like a basket weave pattern on it, but much more affordable than doing ceramic tile, and arguably sturdier because this is commercial grade 1 by 2 foot tile. So all of this will get styled, and this will look really great. I mean, an amazing improvement over previously what was there. All right, let's check out this closet. Also, we redid the interiors of all of these closets. This is basically a hallway linen closet. And this is the bedroom. Now, not a lot was changed in this room, but with the new paint and the styling, we're going to do drapery in this room and the living room. And then the closets, again, all the closets, we matched all the hardware on them. And then inside, we did a metal closet rod and painted all the interiors. So closet space is key, and everybody wants their closets to be as big as possible. So I think it's important that we gave them a little extra attention. All the doorknobs have been upgraded with these really great black doorknobs. Again, a little feature that buyers notice. Now in the bathroom, we did a big dramatic change in here. Now, if you remember what it used to look like, so in here, all the grout on the tile and the tub was cleaned and bleached. We put a brand new medicine cabinet in here. This is a much simpler cabinet that now extends the whole wall. Again, we bought almost all these fixtures, the lighting, the medicine cabinet, and the vanity. This is a 24-inch vanity. Most everything was bought off Amazon or Home Depot. I mean, not for nothing, we did not spend a lot of money in here, but all of this really gives a bang for your buck. And it looks incredible. Now with some styling, this will look unbelievable when it's ready to sell. Again, same doorknob. We did a little black doorknob here. And everything is ready for the staging design that is going to come in this week. I think it's amazing. Oh, I forgot to mention, we added this oak handrail here. I thought it was important to add it because it's a great feature. There's only 3 stairs, but this sort of matches what the hardwood floors are that were already here. Here's the views out the window. We are in amazing shape to get this house ready to sell in probably 2 weeks. I think we're looking at a 2-week turnaround. There's some built-in shelving here that is great. This was already here. We just sort of highlighted it with paint. Another shot of the kitchen from the living room. Again, this lamp, which ideally will go over sort of a round table that will be under it for the dining space. And that lamp was also Amazon purchase. Both of the hallways got these fixtures, and we put another one here. Amazon, Amazon. Even if we didn't do anything to it, this is a home run renovation. The renovation alone was under $15,000. The staging that we're going to put on top will be another $14,000. So I think anybody selling an apartment, spending that $13,000 is a tremendous investment. I mean, this is going to get you the best return on your investment. You just got to spruce it up. Again, most of our fixtures, lighting, bathroom, kitchen, almost all of the fixtures were Amazon or Home Depot. And if you have any question about any single item in this apartment, just comment below. I'll send you the link. You can get them yourself. It is incredible what you can do with a little money and sort of a cohesive design. All the fixtures are sort of in the black family. All of the hardware is black. Kitchen we did in brass. The entire apartment now has a real cohesive feel. It feels like it was always like this. Now, people are likely to come in and think that this just was like this, and you know what? That's okay. As long as they're willing to pay what we're asking. So this is all so exciting. I cannot wait to get it staged. This is the best part. It's almost like putting on a show, and then we'll take photographs, and then we'll list it, and I will share the listing. And if you're interested, maybe this could be your place. This building in particular, I used to live here for a long time, so I know it very well, which is why a lot of people ask me to get their apartments ready to sell. A, I love doing it, and B, I know this building so well, so it's easy for me to tell you how great it is in the greatest location downtown in the Village. I think the sellers are happy because we've been able to accomplish a lot for not a lot of money. Okay, So that's all I got for you. Oh my gosh. I'm going to do another video. I know I'm a little caffeinated, but I just got back from Milan, Italy yesterday. I'm feeling still a little bit jet lagged, but I'm going to do a whole video on, I've never been to Milan before. I've been to other parts of Italy briefly, but I loved Milan. I don't know if anyone else can share my love of Milan. I would love to hear your thoughts. I would love to talk to somebody about Milan. The architecture alone, the vibe of the city, the weather was amazing. I know that's not normal, but I fell in love with Milan. I'm sorry, I did. I think I have a crush, and I don't know what to do with that crush. Do I buy an apartment in Milan? Do I renovate an apartment in Milan? I don't know. I gotta go.